The trees. Oh, the ever-waving and gentle trees. It gives me solace and hope whenever I look at them, whenever I lay my head down to go to bed. Thoughts of trees and nature consume my mind, like a carnival of stillness and calm. I speak to the trees, and they listen to me, listen to my hardship, but also my tales of grace and harmony. I feel like I bring them purpose, as they do unto me. I will follow and love and continue to be gentle and nice till the day I die. I am sure the trees will do absolutely nothing to hurt me.